In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Canva template link. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Let's go over to our design here. I'm going to select this design we recently worked on. This is the design I want to share as a template. To share this design as a template, come over here where it says share, and you're going to see all these options that are here. You will see down here it says template link. You're going to click on templates, and it says anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Signing is required, but you won't know who made copies of this design. So the person is editing a copy of this design, not having your original design. So you're going to click on create a template link, and you can as well delete this link at any point in time. Once you've done that, you copy the link here and send it to the person, or if you want to sell this design, you can put it in what you're selling.